Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona Tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. I am going to make a silver ring for this pink freshwater pearl. It's 6.5 millimeters and it's all about making the setting for the pearl. And these are my most important tools today: some Play-Doh and some soldering gypsum. And I can take credit for today's ID because I spotted it at the Instagram page of Herens en Herens. As you know, they are my supplier in the Netherlands. And I'm just copying what they did because I think it's an awesome idea. This is the pearl that I want to use to make my setting. But I do need some extra room here for the setting itself, so I am going to take this sponge, hoping it's not too big, and press it in the clay. And I think this should do it. And I'm going to make the setting by using all these little jump rings. So I am going to close them up. And I'll show you how to use them in a moment. I'm going to place a really tiny one in the middle here. And I'm going to place the other ones around it. I'll press this down a bit so it will stay in place, and maybe we can add something very small here on the top, a little granule I have laying around, just so that there is a bit more going on. Now I only have to add one small thing, and that is a small piece of wire on which I can place my pearl. And now the pearl is upside down, and when I move it around, it will stay in place. So I know it's a tight fit, everything is looking nice, and now we are going to glue the pearl in place. I am using a 2-component glue. Never use super glue because that will harden and this will stay a little bit elastic. And the glue should only be a precaution because the pearl should stay in place on its own. I'll mix this together and we only need a very small amount. I'm going to place it on this part here. Really get it into the grooves. I'll place the pearl and I'll try to screw it on here.